Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 3 colors from Sundara Nails, and we are going to be using dip liquids. The first color here is called Pueblo, and it is a beautiful caramel dark brown color, and I really like the glitter in here. It's super pretty. It's gold glitter. And then the next one is called Mesa, and it's a beautiful dark brown fine glitter, but it has like all different kinds of like reflex glitter in there. So depending on what kind of light, it hits red and orange. It's super pretty. And then we're going to pair it with this beautiful turquoise foil color called Mexico Skyline. And it's a beautiful turquoise color with some perfect gold foils in there. And it's really pretty, and I think the 3 of these colors together are super pretty. It's kind of like a country western fall kind of mani, so that's the vibe I got when I saw these 3 together, and I really like the combination. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the dip liquids. Now I really do like the gentle dip liquids. I've been having really good luck with them, so I have been enjoying them. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and then I'm going to show you how I do my encapsulating and clear. I do it a little bit different, so stay tuned for that, and I'll pop back in just a few moments. All right, it's time to clear and encapsulate our nails. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and apply base to the nails here, and then we're going to go ahead and use those cupcake liners you see in the left-hand corner. So basically, the first cupcake liner, I have clear powder put in that liner, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little spoon, and I'm going to go ahead and take some of that clear dip powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour it all over that nail. And it's going to go ahead and land in an empty cupcake liner, and then that's the cupcake liner that I'm going to use to clear and encapsulate the rest of the nails. Now this prevents, for me at least, prevents my clears from becoming contaminated, because for a while I had a jar just for glitters, and then I had a jar just for solids, and then a jar for shimmers. But no matter what, I always was getting like that one random piece of glitter in there, and then it was not the right glitter that I was using for that mani to clear and encapsulate. So it's kind of becoming a hassle. So I found that this way I do have that product in that cupcake liner, and it is a little bit more waste. But I feel that in the long run, I'm not cross-contaminating my whole entire jar. So I'm going to actually use my whole entire jar. Unlike once it gets full of glitter, then I tend not to use it anymore and I throw it out and it just becomes a waste. So this way I feel like I'm saving on my clear, even though it may not look like it to you, but it's just a little bit of clear, and then I do toss it out at the end just to make sure that my manis have that perfect clear encapsulation. Again, this is just what way works for me. You can do whatever way you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and finish clear encapsulating these nails, file and buff, and I'll be back in a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and how pretty is this mani? It's definitely giving me that country girl fall type of vibe mani, which I was going for when I saw these colors together. So I was really impressed, especially with New Mexico Skyline, that teal foil. I did not have any bleeding with those foils, and when I was using the dip base, I did not have any staining with that bright turquoise color, which I was super impressed by. So I don't know if it's a combination of the dip powders and the liquids or just the powders, but it was super pretty, and I definitely need to do a full mani using that turquoise color. So don't forget, I do have the 13 Days of Halloween series starting on my channel October 1st, running through October 13th. There'll be 2 Sundara manis included in that series, so definitely consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!